How to finally relieve your foot pain. Are you suffering from plantar fasciitis? Are you currently experiencing sharp pain, burning, or discomfort in your feet as a result of your condition? Fact: traditional medical treatments for plantar fasciitis can run in the thousands. However, what if there was a solution that gave you long-lasting relief and helped you repair and restore the tissue in your feet? That solution does exist, and you can find it within the pages of Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure. No surgery, prescription medication, or injections required. It's true. In this incredible new ebook you'll find everything you need to finally put an end to the painful symptoms associated with plantar fasciitis. Inside you'll discover how to use 3 common household objects to help relieve and protect your feet from the symptoms of plantar fasciitis. A unique massage that helps ease the pain and stop the further symptoms, fast. Dietary tips and tricks to help repair and strengthen the damaged tissue in your feet. This is the only step-by-step instruction manual to eliminate plantar fasciitis you will ever need. Once you follow the clear and concise directions in this ebook, you'll be shocked at how fast you start to experience relief. Click on the link below to learn more about Fast Plantar Fasciitis Cure.